Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I spread my yoga mat on the clean floor. I spread my yoga mat on the clean floor. I stand up straight with my feet together. I stand up straight with my feet together. I look up at the bright morning sun. I look up at the bright morning sun. I bend my body down to the ground. I bend my body down to the ground. I step my right leg back very slowly. I step my right leg back very slowly. I push my hips up into the air. I push my hips up into the air. I lower my knees to the soft mat. I lower my knees to the soft mat. I rest my warm forehead on the floor. I rest my warm forehead on the floor. I turn my neck to the left side. I turn my neck to the left side. I smile because my morning workout is complete. I smile because my morning workout is complete. I sit quietly on my green cushion. I sit quietly on my green cushion. I keep my hands flat on my lap. I keep my hands flat on my lap. I close my eyes to relax now. I close my eyes to relax now. I take a very deep breath inside. I take a very deep breath inside. I blow the fresh air out slowly. I blow the fresh air out slowly. I stretch my stiff neck to the right. I stretch my stiff neck to the right. I drop my heavy shoulders down flat. I drop my heavy shoulders down flat. I feel the warm morning sun outside. I feel the warm morning sun outside. I stand up from the floor gently. I stand up from the floor gently. I pack my personal yoga gear away. I pack my personal yoga gear away. I place my soft yoga mat near the window. I place my soft yoga mat near the window. I sit down flat with a straight spine. I sit down flat with a straight spine. I rest both palms open on my knees. I rest both palms open on my knees. I close my heavy eyelids to start meditating. I close my heavy eyelids to start meditating. I pull the clean morning air inside now. I pull the clean morning air inside now. I push all the stale air out completely. I push all the stale air out completely. I turn my face slowly up to the sky. I turn my face slowly up to the sky. I lean my body forward to touch the mat. I lean my body forward to touch the mat. I open my eyes, feeling very fresh today. I open my eyes, feeling very fresh today. I stand up and walk to the clean kitchen. I stand up and walk to the clean kitchen. I put on my walking shoes. I put on my walking shoes. I open the main gate quietly. I open the main gate quietly. I walk on the green grass. I walk on the green grass. I breathe the cool morning air. I breathe the cool morning air. I see a small flying bird. I see a small flying bird. I enter my clean kitchen now. I enter my clean kitchen now. I wash one fresh red apple. I wash one fresh red apple. I boil some sweet yellow corn. I boil some sweet yellow corn. I drink warm milk from a mug. I drink warm milk from a mug. I feel full and very happy. I feel full and very happy. I lace up my black running shoes. I lace up my black running shoes. I turn the heavy door key smoothly. I turn the heavy door key smoothly. I walk near the tall park trees. I walk near the tall park trees. I watch the bright morning sun rise. I watch the bright morning sun rise. I pick a fresh green mint leaf. I pick a fresh green mint leaf.